Hi, I'm Steve Santoro with Lutron Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Sunnata Pro dimmer in a single pole application. Now I'm going to be wiring the Sunnata Pro dimmer, but these instructions will also work for the Sunnata switch. Before getting started, make sure power is turned off at your circuit breaker. Test the switch to make sure the lights do not come on. To get started, remove your wall plate and pull the existing switch from the wall. Before disconnecting your old switch, you want to make sure that you have neutral wires in the wall. These are going to be two white wires in the back of your box. Both the Sunnata Pro dimmer and the Sunnata switch require these for installation. Once you have confirmed that you have neutral wires, you may take out your old switch and begin wiring your Sunnata Pro dimmer. First, connect your green ground to the ground wire in your wall box. Next, connect the hot or live wire to the black screw on your dimmer. Next, connect the wire that goes to your light, or the switch leg, to the brass screw on your dimmer. Finally, use the white jumper wire that came in the package to connect the silver screw to your neutral wires. Once you have connected your Sunnata Pro dimmer, you can now tuck the wires back into the box and connect it to your wall box. We also installed a Sunnata Pro companion dimmer for a separate three-way application. To see that video, click the link in the description below. Now all that's left is to install our 2-gang Claro screwless wall plate. Now that you've installed your Sunnata Pro dimmer, you can restore power at the circuit breaker. You can use the paddle switch to turn it on or off, or adjust the light level using the light bar on the side. I hope this was helpful, and for videos on how to adjust low and trim and other Sunnata features, please check out our YouTube channel.